Hello students, welcome to PraescioEdu YouTube channel. This is scholarship exam, standard 5th online class, subject intelligent test, and the topic is code language. In this one, use of numbers for letters or numbers or digits. Okay, so in this one, the code language is used to represent the numbers. Okay, so to understand this topic, mainly we have to go through the questions, because there is no much more information about the theoretical parts, and even there is no any more formulas also. Through the examples also we have to clarify this topic. Okay, so we are going to see the examples. So question number 1 is there: in certain code language, but is written as 724, then TUB is written as dash dash dash, means this is a somewhat big question mark asking about this. Okay, so BUT 724 means if you write here 724 means 7 for the B. So as per this one, B for the 7 here. Okay, U as a 2, so here U as a 2 and T as a 4, so T as a 4 means 427, and 427 is given in option number 3. Then question number 2, in certain code language, if 2 is equals to 6, 3 is equals to 12, 5 is equals to 30, then 4 is equals to how much? So here 2 is equals to 6 means it's a multiply by 3. Now 3 is equals to 12 means it's a multiply by 4. As per this one, 6 is equals to 30 means it's multiplied by 6. So likewise 3, 4, and after 3 there is a 4 means 3, 4, 5 and then 6 here, like this one. So here multiply by 5. So 4 multiplied by 5 is a 20. So 20 is given in option number 4. Then question number 30, in certain code language, if 15 is a 51, 39 is a 93, 12 is a 21, then 34 is equals to question mark. So if you see the digit here, the tens place and the unit place, so digit is interchanging, okay, their places. Okay, so 15 is comes to the 5 and 1 interchanging, so it will convert to the 51. Likewise here 3 and 9 interchanging, so 9 3 comes, 1 2 interchanging, so 2 1 comes, means 21, like this. 3 4 is given, so it will after change, that will be the 3 4 will be converted as a 4 3 means 43. So option number 2 is the correct one. Then question number 4, in a code language, if media 1 2 3 4 5 and PO is 67, then PODAI, PO means we can say PODIA. Okay, so here PO is given 67, so 67, and DIA means here the M for the M, okay, 1, so here 2 3 4 and 5. If we make the respective of the alphabets and the numbering, so we are getting DIA as a 3 4 5. So DIA means 3 4 and 5, so means 6 7 3 4 5. So 6 7 3 4 5 means option number 2 is a correct one. Question number 5, in certain code language, if 4 is equals to 16, 6 is equals to 36, then 7 is equals to 49, then 3 is equals to how much? So if you see 4 digit, if you make the 4 digits square number, we will get the 16. Okay, so like this one, 6 square number 36, 7 square number 49, so 9 square number is a 3 square is equals to the 9. So 9 means option number 2 is a correct one. Then question number 6, in certain code language, if 2 is equals to 8, 4 is equals to 64, 1 is equals to 1, then 3 is equals to how much? So 2's cube number is 8, 4's cube number is a 64, 1's cube number is a 1. So like this one, 3's cube number is a 27, means 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. So 27 means option number 1 is a correct one. Then question number 7, in certain code languages, if 93 is equals to 27, 24 is equals to 8, 72 is equals to 14, then 48 is equals to how much? If 93 means 9 and 3, if you make a product of 9 and 3 means 9 multiplied by 3, we are getting 27. Likewise 2 multiplied by 4, 8, 7 multiplied by 2, 14, then 4 multiplied by 8 means 32, and this is given in option number 3. Then question number 8, in certain code languages, if 25 is written as 275, 45 is written as 495, then 34 is written as how much? 2 and 5 we are getting 7. Okay, additions of these two digits 7, and that digit we will place at the middle of this one. Okay, so likewise this 2 is here and this 5 is here, and in between this one 2 plus 7 2 plus 5 is a 7 at the middle place. So same as this one, 4 plus 5 is a 9. Okay, it will maintain here, and 4 as it is and 5 also as it is. Okay, so as per this one 3 4 means 3 and 4 here, 3 plus 4 is a 7, so 7 at the middle, so 3 7 4, so 374 means option number 3 is the correct one. Then question number 9, in certain code languages if 1 2 3 is equals to 6, 2 3 4 is equals to 9, then 7 3 2 is equals to 12, then 5 to 4 will be represented by which number? So if you add this one 1 2 and 3, so you will get 1 plus 2 plus 3 6. So same like this one, if you add this 2 3 and 4's addition, so 2 plus 3 is a 5 plus 4 is a 9, then 7 plus 3 is a 10 plus 2 is a 12. Likewise 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 4 is 11, so it will represent the 11, means option number 1 is the correct one. Then question number 10, in certain code languages if 1 is 2, 2 is 3, 3 is 4, 4 is 5 and 5 is 6, then 5 multiplied by 3 plus 4 is equals to how much? So 5 is a 6, so here 5 is a 6, then multiply, then 3 is a 4, so 3 is a 4, then additions of this one, and 4 is a 5, so addition plus 5. So multiplication we will do first, so 6 multiplied by 4 is a 24 plus 5, so it is a 29, and 29 is given in option number 2. Then question number 11, in certain code language if 2 is 4, 3 is 8, 5 is 10, then 2 plus 3 multiplied by 5 is equals to how much? So 2 is a 4, so it will be the 4 here, 3 is a 8, so here 8, and 5 is a 10, so 10 here, and this operation sign as it is. So 4 plus 8 multiplied by 10. So now multiplication we will do first, so 8 multiplied by 10 is 80, and this 4, so 84, so it will be the 84, and 84 is given in option number 1. Now question number 12, in certain code language if 1 2 3 is equal to CAT, 5 2 8 is equals to BAG, and 3 9 8 is a COG, then 5 2 3 is equals to how much? So 1 2 3 is a CAG, and we have to find out here 5 2 3, so 5 means this value we will find out, then 2 means this value, and 3 means this value. So 5 means here the B. Okay, so here the B, we will write down here B first, then 2 is given is as a, so A, and 3 means here with a respectively as a C, so here the C means BAC is given in option number 3. Then question number 13, in a certain code language if FOR is written as 783, FAT is written as 527, NOT is 534, then how to write FAN? This is very important, so please listen this one. Now FOR is written as 783, so I will maintain here FOR as a written as a 7, then 8 and 3. Okay, then FAT as a 5 to 7, FAT as a 5 to 7, and then NOT is written as a 5 3 4. Now in this one, now here also F and here also F. Okay, so we will compare first this numbers and these numbers also. Okay, so here F and here F, so here in this one the F is commonly written as, okay, and here also the common number is a 7. Okay, here also 7, but only the interchanging of this one. Okay, means F is equals to 7. Okay, F is equals to 7 we got. Then like this one here T and here T, which is a common in between this one, so in this number and in this number common is a 5, so T is a 5, so T is equals to 5. Like this one, now this and this So FOR and NOT. Here the O is a common, and if we compare this number and this number, the common is a 3. So O is equals to 3. Okay. So now after this one, if we put this F is equals to 7 here. Okay. So F as a 7, then O as a 3. So 7 and here the 3. So R 7 and 3 already we got. Okay. 7 and 3. So remaining is a 8. So means R is equals to 8. Okay. So we are getting R is equals to 8. Like this one, N we have to find out. Okay. Because FAN we have to find out. So FAN. Okay. So A value also we have to find out. So now in between this one we have to compare. So here the T value we have to put here the 5, here also 5. Okay. So this 5 is comes. Now F value is a 7. So here F value 7. So 5 and this 7 already we have got it here. So 2 and this A. So A is equals to 2, we got it. Now if we compare now here NOT, so for this one O is equals to 3 and T already 5. So O is here remaining, and 3 and 5 already these digits we got. So 4 is balanced, means this is equals to the O. So now O is equals to 3 we know, T is equals to 5 we know, but N value we don't have. So 3 and 5, so 3 and 5 already here we got the digits. So 4 is here balance and here N balance, means we can say N is equals to 4. Now we got F value, we got A values, and we got N's value. So F A N is equals to F for 7, then A as a 2, and N as a 4. So N as a 4. So this is given in our option number 7, 2, and 4. So this is a 7, 2, and 4. So 7, 2, 4 is not given, but 7, 2, 3 means this is might be printing mistake. So 7, 2, 4 means option number 4 is the correctly. Our answer is 7, 2, 4. Now question number 14. In certain code language, number are written as follows. So 23 is equals to 25, 24 is equals to 36, 31 is equals to 16, then 25 is equals to question mark. So if you add 2 and 3 of the 23, means 2 plus 3 is equals to 5, and 5 square is equals to 25, which is the same here given. Likewise 24, so 2 plus 4 is equals to 6, and 6 square is equals to 36, and this number is here. So likewise 3 plus 1 is a 4, and 4 square is a 16. So same criteria we will apply for this 25. So 2 plus 5, so it's a 7, and 7 square is a 49. 49 is given in option number 2. Then question number 15. In certain code language, if 4 is 2, 5 is 3, and 6 is 7, then 5 plus 4 multiplied by 6 is equal to how much? So 5 is 3, so here 3 plus sign, and 4 is a 2 multiplied by the 6 is a 7, so here 7, so is equals to how much? So 3 plus 2 multiplied by 7. So multiplication first we will do. So 3 plus this is a 14, and 3 plus 14 is a 17. So 17 is given in option number 4.